Hi! Stepping out fresh-faced with clear skin is something we all strive to achieve with our skincare routines. But when it comes to purchasing products, how do we know which ones work versus those containing nothing but made-up words invented by cosmetic and skincare companies' marketing campaigns? It's tough navigating the world of skincare, especially if you are a man, and it isn't about to get any easier as new companies with new claims enter the market on the daily. In this video, we'll talk about why it's time to get back to basics for skincare. So stick around if you want to supercharge your skincare routine. Over the past few years, the demand for men's natural skincare products has increased dramatically. This demand is being enthusiastically met by niche, bespoke Australian natural skincare brands like Hunter Lab, Handsome Skincare, The Groomed Man Co, Men's Botanics, and Charles & Lee, who are all born to help men with skincare and grooming, and they really know their stuff when it comes to all natural ingredients in skincare. These brands are changing the face of the industry by offering products that do what they say they do without the synthetics. When you're putting something on your face and body, it's always a good idea to know what's in it, don't you think? After all, your skin readily absorbs everything you put on it, so why would you slather it with things you can't trust? Yep, when it comes to your skin, natural is definitely best. So what are these benefits? The benefits of natural and organic products are endless, with the most important being that they work to restore your skin to its best self. They balance oily and dry patches, reduce redness, skin irritations, and general signs of aging. They improve overall tone and make your skin feel renewed. Over on the opposite end of the scale, synthetic ingredients are mostly used because they're cheap to manufacture and have a longer shelf life. There are many reasons why synthetic skincare manufacturers wear gloves when mixing synthetic ingredients. One is that these synthetics are known to be harsh chemicals that can be absorbed into the dermal layers of the skin and into the bloodstream. So why would you put these harsh products with synthetics onto your skin? Natural is safer from inside and out. So it's time to make the move. If you really want to supercharge your skin, it's time to make the move to all natural. But what should you be looking for? As always, it's important to cleanse, tone, and moisturise. Then add in a few essentials like quality eye creams, exfoliators, and natural shaving creams that help prevent razor burns and ingrowns. Plus, you'll want an all-natural body wash that doesn't dry the skin out. Keep an eye out for products that are all natural or organic plant-derived ingredients, free from parabens, free from artificial colours, and free from harsh detergents. Also, look for ones that are free from synthetic fragrances, free from toxic chemicals, and don't use cheap fillers or mixing agents like water as their main ingredient. And ones that are cruelty-free and vegan with no animal-derived ingredients. Finding these skincare products is quite easy. They can be purchased online from many of the brand's websites, or you can visit a number of Australian natural online skincare stores such as nourishlife.com.au, floraandfauna.com.au, or shopnaturally.com.au. Once you make the switch, you'll never want to turn back, especially when you start using skincare brands who strive to make great natural products that not only give great results, but also embrace the power of nature. Can anyone say win-win? If you'd like to know more about men's skincare, visit our site today, mensskincare.com.au. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and share.